Good news for foreign nationals in South Africa. Due to ongoing visa processing delays, the Department of Home Affairs has just extended key visa concessions until the 30th of September 2025. This move comes after a major visa backlog was cleared, but with some new challenges. If you're waiting for a visa, waiver, or appeal decision, you'll want to hear how this affects you. Stay tuned for all the details. In a significant move aimed at offering much-needed relief to foreign nationals in South Africa, the Department of Home Affairs has extended visa concessions until the 30th of September 2025. This extension comes as a direct response to ongoing delays in the processing of various visa-related applications, such as visa waivers, long-term visa requests, and appeals. Home Affairs Minister Leon Schreiber signed the new Immigration Directive on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, just days before the initial deadline of the 31st of March, 2025 was set to expire. The Department's Immigration Directive No. 4 of 2025 acknowledges the continuing challenges it faces in processing applications, especially concerning delays related to printing and finalizing outcomes. This extension grants foreign nationals who are waiting for decisions on their applications an additional chance to stay legally in South Africa while these processes are completed. The department had already made significant strides in reducing the massive backlog, eradicating nearly 94% of the 300,000 pending visa applications, which had built up over a decade. However, the speed of this progress also brought unintended consequences, such as a rise in the rejection of applications, triggering even more appeals. The temporary relief granted by the directive applies to foreign nationals who have applied for visa waivers, long-term visas, or have lodged appeals following visa rejections. These individuals now have until the end of September 2025 to stay in South Africa legally, provided they can present a valid application receipt through VFS Global. In a significant boost to these applicants, they will also be allowed to travel out of South Africa and re-enter without being declared undesirable, so long as they have the correct documentation. However, non-visa exempt nationals must apply for a port of entry visa if they wish to return. While this move has been praised by industry experts like Jocko Brits, head of immigration at visa consulting service ExpatWeb, there are some important caveats to keep in mind. Foreign nationals who are waiting on their visa outcomes and wish to travel outside South Africa must apply for a visitor's visa if they are from a non-visa exempt country. This extra step is necessary to ensure they can re-enter the country without complications. The relief measures, however, are not extended to permanent residence applicants. Those in the process of securing permanent residency in South Africa must ensure their temporary resident status remains valid during the waiting period. Schreiber and the Department of Home Affairs have emphasized that this concession is only applicable to those who were legally admitted into South Africa and whose applications were processed through VFS Global. Since the introduction of these visa concessions in September 2022, initially under former Minister Aaron Motsoalidi's leadership, they have played a crucial role in addressing the overwhelming backlog in visa applications. The extension is a continuation of the department's efforts to resolve long-standing issues, which had left thousands of foreign nationals in limbo. While the concession provides immediate relief, it also underlines the department's ongoing efforts to expedite the processing of applications and appeals, although, as noted, this accelerated process has created some new hurdles. In addition to these administrative changes, Minister Schreiber has also been working on broader reforms designed to improve the efficiency of South Africa's visa system. The department has embraced modern technological solutions, which are expected to further streamline operations and enhance service delivery. Schreiber has also emphasized the importance of attracting highly skilled foreign professionals to boost South Africa's economic growth, along with efforts to increase tourism numbers, especially from countries like China and India, through the introduction of the Trusted Tour Operator scheme. While the extension of visa concessions is undoubtedly a positive development for foreign nationals in South Africa, it also highlights the delicate balance the Home Affairs Department must maintain in managing the complexities of visa processing. As South Africa continues to refine its immigration policies, both foreign nationals and industry experts will be closely monitoring the outcomes of these initiatives. If you're a foreign national in South Africa, this extension could be the lifeline you've been waiting for. With visa concessions now extended until September 2025, you can stay, travel, and re-enter South Africa without the stress. Don't miss out on staying up to date with all the latest updates. Subscribe now and stay informed.